That is unique, dude. That is some art. That is beautiful.
Oh shit. Here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chris. Happy birthday to you. You better blow them out quickly before the donuts are all gone from wax. Yeah. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to me.
Woo.
Look at this birthday cake. This beautiful birthday cake that Tarek made for me.
Well, he took down the smoke alarm so that won't go
that
off.
was a good idea.
Happy birthday, man.
Wow. Yeah, I hope the fire marshal doesn't see this.